So today we are going to wash clothes. My brother's gonna help me. So she's just off the bed. I'm washing everything. Yeah, so let's go. I'm getting an Uber and I did my lashes. I seen this girl on TikTok do a tutorial on how she do her lashes and I tried it and it's cute. Maybe I'll give y'all a tutorial. These are my strip lashes. It's two strips together. There's one strip on the bottom and one strip underneath. Alright, well, I'm coming down right now, too. Alright, well, anywho. It's what? It's 1 minute away. Oh, I gotta go. Alright, I'll continue vlogging once we get to the laundromat. So, made it to the laundromat. Dropped my clothes off. My brother's starting to close. I'm about to go get her some food. It's motherfucking windy out here. Anywho, so yeah, I forgot to vlog when I got in the Uber. So now I'm walking to this corner store. I finally found a corner store out here that has Sausalito turkey, finally, and they make some bomb ass sandwiches. So it's a little walk. It's like 3 blocks away, but we all been feeling for these sandwiches. Me, Aiden, Joe, my brother. So get some sandwiches. And I've been feeling for like a root beer as well. These glasses are getting, honey. To put my earrings on. So I just ordered our sandwiches. I always get the same thing. Sausalito turkey with cheddar cheese, everything on it, salt, pepper, vinegar. The boys got the same thing as well. My brother got a honey turkey with everything on it. And yeah, this store is always crowded because the sandwiches are so good. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna get the boys' day snacks and stuff. And that's how I continue vlogging once I get up out of here. Honestly, I didn't vlog much in the store because it was so crowded. I just honestly felt like all eyes was on me, literally. So I didn't want to draw more attention to myself. So yeah. Anywho, but I got our food. Alright, I'm about to drop my brother's food off to him at the laundromat. There you go, boy. Then I'm about to go to yeah, I'll tell you. Anywho, I'm about to go to the house and we're about to eat. I think I'm kind of feeling like something tonight, so go to the liquor store, get my favorite liquor. You know, I love me some Hypnotic. Okay. I gotta get one more thing for Joe. Joe wanted some honey buns. So yeah. I'm really feeling the eyelashes with the no makeup. So cute. I love this wig. It's so freaking cute. I really just be out here talking to myself, low key. One thing I'm good at. Anywho. This is how you know I really love Joseph and Aiden, because I literally just walked 3 blocks just to go to a corner store, to the store that they like for the sandwiches. But I like the sandwiches too. So honestly, it's a win-win. Dang, I should have got some salt and vinegar chips to put in my sandwich. I have to stop by the store. Hopefully my brother put the clothes in already. Hopefully he's helping his sister out. Right. Restaurant right there. Never really noticed that. Okay. Going into the laundromat. See him in the back. Hello, bedroom. Want your food here? You want to take it to the house? Take it to the crib. No, come and drop the food off. Or you want to take it to the house? No, take it straight to the crib. I already got the food off. Alright. What you have to put the sheets and stuff in the big one?
Yeah, one big one, one small one, and I got a little small one over here. Alright,
then good look. I'll go to the crib. Let me go home to these kids of mine. Ciao. Okay. Yeah. Me and her, so I'm gonna just talk a little bit. Me and my boo thing, we back talking again, but oh, I don't know. Now it's like, you know, when a person is not for you, but you're just so drawn. That's my situation right now, honestly. Like, I don't love him or anything, but you know what I'm saying? Like, I just been rocking with him for damn near about to be 2 years now. And on top of the fact, I ain't gonna hold you. You know what I have noticed my problem is? Like, real shit that I gotta do better with. I'm the type to get upset at my man and lose all respect to him. And when I say that, I'm basically saying like you would just piss me off, right? And I'm like, yo, this bitch ass nigga. Like, you know what I'm saying? And honestly, love and respect goes hand in hand. So it's just like, if you really love a person, you're going to respect them. Like, you know what I'm saying? It makes sense or whatever. Like, he get on my nerves and I be blocking his ass. Like, block. He's like, this again, this again. Yes, some liquor. Look like shit. I never drink wine. I don't know how y'all people do it. I ain't about to start today neither. Alright, I'm back. It's really dark outside now. But honestly, it's been dark. But now it's like sunset type dark. I ghetto. The motherfucking ghetto. So I didn't want to talk or say anything because it was this 4'5" man right in front of me. And I didn't want him to think I was talking to myself. So, anyway, I'm back. So I said things like outside. So, my brother's at the laundry doing the laundry. I'm about to be on my way home to the boys right now. We're about to eat. We're about to watch Raisin. I don't know. It's this show that Joe and Aiden got me watching with them. It's on Netflix. We about to eat. And we about to watch that in my room. And y'all about to come and chill with us for a little while. You know what I'm saying? Alright. So these kids are home. I don't want to hear nothing, child, because when I was young, my mom left me in the house when I was 5, okay? I don't want to hear shit. Joe is 9 years old. Who's trying out of breath? Mm-hmm. Joe is 9 years old. He know the rules. Don't open my door for nobody. Hello. Now they're eating their food. We here. Aiden is right here next to me, eating his food. Got that. Joseph right here as well. Joe got this, and my sandwich is right here. So we're about to eat and watch Raisin. Dion. Mm-hmm. Wait, he kissing her? I thought he was the villain. All right. I'm about to eat with the boys.
But that was before she knew that he was.
Rate your sandwich. How was your sandwich? 1 out of 10.
I give mine a 5.
Yours a 5? I give mine a 10 out of 10. It was on fleek. Okay, so what you didn't like about your sandwich?
They put too much mayonnaise on.
We watching this show, Raising Dion. Y'all should really watch this show with y'all kids. Joseph and Aiden has been bugging me to watch it with them. This is what we doing now, watching it. All the clothes is in the wash.
Pat goes flying all the way somewhere.
Pat went flying.
I ready to see the original.
Oh, Oh, they showing what happened to him after.
Look.
Wow.
Literally, they reincarnated him.
They reincarnated him.
They gave him his body back. Just watch. See? They reincarnated. Look at this. Cat's coming back.
Wow. They did bring him back. Wow. I need to watch this with y'all kids. I'm telling you, they're going to love this show. Wow.
Every bit of his power is gone.
All right, we're going to end the vlog here. Say later. Goalsofgalm family on the check